I guess making sure that you good was my bad. I kinda thought you had the same feelings I had, and you helped sell it like a fly ad. But you was macking at the house, iPad. Not mad, but there's a few disappointments. Let's just say that I canceled on a few appointments. I blew paper with you, not a joint, bitch. I say bitch when I'm trying to make a point, bitch. Other times, I call it how I see it. I won't give you the title if you don't know how to be it. Which proves I love it when the shit's smooth. But show your ass to your nigga, that's a bitch move. I'ma ride, but what are you about, Joe? You gon' pull a tray and say, let me out, though? Never saw it coming, what a cheap shot. Your strongest enemy's the one who know your weak spot.
I swear these bitches all the same, body so fine, but walk around without a brain. I'm just saying, I'm insane if I give my heart to her. She the type of chick that's gonna stick a knife through it. Oh my, this shit is so absurd. I said I never go back, I guess I never learned. So it's oh well, got these bitches by the hotel. They pussy wide open cause they know a nigga so real. I'm so real, I know, I said I never leave, but I seen you with them other niggas riding through the streets on some shit I can't believe. Why you say you loving me? I guess it's true what they say, nothing's what it seems, bitch. Yeah, and I was just a seamstress trying to keep it together. I thought the shit was forever, but nah, I can't go back. And this is for the hoes that never had my back. I'm gone, I'm gone.